2014 Chevy Malibu. How to replace the rear turn signal, and the pretty easy, not too complicated. You only need to remove this part, like panel. This one is missing the clip. There's one here, but maybe if you only remove one, it should be good. And just pull it, and the turn signal is there's one connector here and one here, and that's the one, that's the turn signal. So you only have to turn it counterclockwise, and that's the bulb. Okay, and then you just pull it, and this is part number. Like I always say, make sure to wear gloves when you're replacing bulbs, because the oil in your skin reduces the life of a bulb. All right, it's in there. And once you put it in there, just turn it clockwise. You're gonna feel like a snap. Just make sure it's tight, and that's it.